Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to distribute the views evenly in a container. If you add more and more views to a container, the size of the vizzes may not be the same. I'll show you a quick example. I add a third visualization to this particular dashboard container in the middle. And as you can see, these three vizzes, they have a quite a different size. How can you harmonize the size of these vizzes in a particular container? It has two small steps. Step 1, click on one of the sheets or views and choose this small symbol to see the options. Then choose the select container option. It will show you I would say, the parent container of the views. And after you see the parent container, then you can open the options of the parent container and you can choose the option distribute contents evenly. And if you click on this option, the views will have a similar width or height or whatever. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.